Violeta and I'm coming from Bulgaria, and I'm a proud member of Google family since 2 years. I was born and raised in Plovdiv, an ancient city in the heart of a Thracian valley when the summer temperatures reach 40 degrees. And our pleasant thing to relax after the hot days is delicious made Tarator. Tarator is a typical Bulgarian summer cold soup, and I'll be glad to share the recipe with you. The ingredients that we need a Tarator to be tasty are 1 cucumber, half a bunch of dill, a clove of garlic, 500 grams of yogurt, all in salt to taste, a handful of walnuts. At first we peel the cucumber and cut it on small cubes. Mix them with yogurt and water and stir well. Chop the dill finely and add it to the mix. Crush peeled garlic in a mortar and add it to the mix. Add salt and oil and sprinkle walnuts on top of the Tarator. And now, enjoy it! Hope you like it! Добър апетит!